Hello friends, merhaba arkadaşlar. In our previous lesson, we learned present tense to be. And in this lesson, we will continue with past tense to be. As you see on the chart, past tense suffix is d, di, do, or do, which alternates according to four-way vowel harmony. And if the word ends with a voiceless consonant, p, ch, t, k, f, h, s, ş, then the past tense suffix is going to be t, t, tu, or tu. Again, alternates according to four-way vowel harmony. We learned all this information in our definite past tense lesson. So if you didn't watch that lesson, please first watch the lesson about definite past tense, and after that, come to this lesson. On the right, you can see person pronouns and person pronoun suffixes, and in some cases, we are going to need buffer letter ye. Let's start with an example. I was a student. As I said before, in Turkish, we don't say I was a student. We say I was student. We don't use e. So let's write it. Personal pronoun I, ben. Student, öğrenci. Was student, öğrenciydi. But between the noun, if it's ending with a vowel and continues with past tense suffix, I need to write a buffer letter ye, öğrenciydi, and the person pronoun suffix to the end. Öğrenciydim. I was student. Ben öğrenciydim. Let's make one more example. You were a teacher. Actually, we are going to say you were teacher. The person pronoun you, sen, teacher, öğretmen, were teacher, öğretmendi, and the person pronoun suffix to the end. Sen öğretmendin. You were a teacher. Sen öğretmendin. The person pronoun, after that, the noun, and after that, past tense suffix, and the person pronoun suffix to the end. That's simple. Let's make one more example. He was ugly. Student and teacher were nouns. Ugly is an adjective, but the rule is the same. Let's write person pronoun he, o. Ugly, çirkin. Was ugly, çirkindi. There is no person pronoun suffix for o, so the sentence is o çirkindi. He was ugly. O çirkindi. One more example, a plural one. We were doctors. In Turkish, we don't say we were doctors, we say we were doctor. So instead of using plural form, we are going to use singular form of the noun. That's why person pronoun we first, biz. Doctor, doktor. It's not doctors, it's doktor. Singular. Were doctor, doktordu, and the person pronoun suffix to the end, duk. Biz doktorduk. We were doctors. Biz doktorduk. You were lawyers. Let's write the person pronoun you, plural, siz. We are not going to write lawyers, we are going to write lawyer, avukat, were lawyer, avukattı, and the person pronoun suffix to the end. Avukattınız. Siz avukattınız. You were lawyers. Siz avukattınız. They were beautiful. Doctors and lawyers were nouns. Beautiful is an adjective, but the rule is the same. Let's write person pronoun they first. Onlar. Beautiful, güzel. Were beautiful, güzeldi. And the person pronoun suffix to the end. Güzeldiler. Onlar güzeldiler. They were beautiful. Onlar güzeldiler. Now let's make some negative examples. The negative word for nouns and adjectives is değil. And past tense suffix is going to be di. Let's see an example. I was not a student. Let's write person pronoun I first. Ben. Student. Öğrenci. Not student. Öğrenci değil. Was not student. Değildi. And the person pronoun suffix to the end. Ben öğrenci değildim. I was not a student. Ben öğrenci değildim. Okay, let's write another example. You were not a teacher. Person pronoun you, sen. Teacher, öğretmen. Not teacher, öğretmen değil. Were not teacher, öğretmen değildi. And the person pronoun suffix to the end. Sen öğretmen değildin. You were not a teacher. Sen öğretmen değildin. One more example. He was not ugly. That's right. Person pronoun he first. O. Ugly, çirkin. Not ugly, çirkin değil. Was not ugly, çirkin değildi. There is no person pronoun suffix for o. So the sentence is o çirkin değildi. He was not ugly. O çirkin değildi. Let's make some plural examples. We were not doctors. That's right. The person pronoun we first. Biz. Doctors. But we are going to write doctor. Doktor. Not doctor. Doktor değil. Were not doctor. Doktor değildi. And the person pronoun suffix to the end. Biz doktor değildik. We were not doctors. Biz doktor değildik. Another example. You were not lawyers. That's right. The person pronoun you plural. Siz. Lawyer. Avukat. Not lawyer. Avukat değil. Were not lawyer. Avukat değildi. The person pronoun suffix to the end. Siz avukat değildiniz. You were not lawyers. Siz avukat değildiniz. One last plural example. They were not beautiful. That's right. Person pronoun they first. Onlar. Beautiful. Güzel. Not beautiful. Güzel değil. Were not beautiful. Güzel değildi. And the person pronoun suffix to the end. Güzel değildiler. Onlar güzel değildiler. They were not beautiful. Onlar güzel değildiler. Alright, these were the positive and negative sentences with past tense to be. Now let's see some question sentences. First of all, positive question sentences. As you see on the chart, question suffix is going to be mi, m, mu, or mü, which alternates according to four-way vowel harmony. And the past tense is going to be, past tense suffix is going to be di, d, do, or do, again alternates according to four-way vowel harmony. And in some cases, we are going to need buffer letter ye. Let's write an example. Was I a student? Let's write person pronoun I first. Ben. Student, öğrenci. Question suffix me. And then past tense suffix di. And the buffer letter between them. Person pronoun suffix to the end. Ben öğrenci miydim? Was I a student? Ben öğrenci miydim? So first we are writing pronoun, person pronoun, ben, then the noun, and after that we leave a space and write question suffix, after question suffix, past tense suffix, and there's a buffer letter between them, don't forget, and the person pronoun suffix to the end. Let's make another example. Were you a teacher? Let's write you first, sen, then the noun, teacher, and after that leave a space and write the question suffix. Right after question suffix, past tense suffix, and we are not going to forget the buffer letter between them, and the person pronoun suffix to the end all the time. Sen öğretmen miydin? Were you a teacher? Sen öğretmen miydin? Another example. Was he ugly? Let's write he first. O. Ugly, çirkin. Question suffix, mi. Past tense suffix, di, and the buffer letter between them. There is no person pronoun suffix for o, so the sentence is o çirkin miydi? Was he ugly? O çirkin miydi? Let's make some plural ones. Were we doctors? But actually we are going to ask as were we doctor in singular form. Let's write we first. Biz. Doctor, doktor. Question suffix, then past tense suffix, and the buffer letter between them. Person pronoun suffix to the end. Biz doktor muyduk? Were we doctors? Biz doktor muyduk? Another one. Were you nurses? That's right. Person pronoun you plural. Siz. Nurse. Hemşire. Question suffix. Then past tense suffix and the buffer letter between them. Person pronoun suffix to the end. Siz hemşire miydiniz? Were you nurses? Siz hemşire miydiniz? And the last example. Were they beautiful? Let's write they first. Onlar. Beautiful. Güzel. Question suffix. Me. Past tense suffix. D. Buffer letter between them. And the person pronoun suffix to the end. Onlar güzel miydiler? Were they beautiful? Onlar güzel miydiler? Alright, now let's make some negative question sentences. The negative word for nouns and adjectives değil, question suffix me, and past tense suffix di. And in some cases we are going to need buffer letter ye. Let's see an example. Was I not a student? Okay, let's write the person pronoun I first. Student, öğrenci. Not student, öğrenci değil. Question suffix me, past tense suffix di, and the buffer letter between them, and person pronoun suffix to the end. Ben öğrenci değil miydim? Was I not a student? Ben öğrenci değil miydim? Another example. Were you not a teacher? Let's write the person pronoun you first. Sen. Teacher, öğretmen. Not teacher, değil. Question suffix me, past tense suffix di, and buffer letter between them, and the person pronoun suffix to the end all the time. Sen öğretmen değil miydin? Were you not a teacher? Sen öğretmen değil miydin? Another example. Was he not ugly? Let's write he first. O. Ugly, çirkin. Not ugly, çirkin değil. Question suffix me, past tense suffix d, and buffer letter between them. There is no person pronoun suffix for o, so the negative question sentence is o çirkin değil miydi? Was he not ugly? O çirkin değil miydi? Let's make some plural examples. Were we not doctors? Let's write person pronoun we first, biz. Instead of doctors, we are going to write doctor, which is doktor. Not doctor, doktor değil. Question suffix, then past tense suffix, and buffer letter between them. Person pronoun suffix to the end all the time. Biz doktor değil miydik? Were we not doctors? Biz doktor değil miydik? Another plural example. Were you not nurses? Let's write the person pronoun you first, siz. Nurse, hemşire. Not nurse, hemşire değil. Question suffix, then past tense suffix, and buffer letter between them. Person pronoun suffix to the end. Siz hemşire değil miydiniz? Were you not nurses? Siz hemşire değil miydiniz? And the last example. Were they not beautiful? Let's write person pronoun they first. Onlar. Beautiful, güzel. Not beautiful, güzel değil. Question suffix, then past tense suffix, and buffer letter between them. Person pronoun suffix to the end. Onlar güzel değil miydiler? Were they not beautiful? Onlar güzel değil miydiler? Alright friends, if you have any questions about past tense to be, please write them on the comment section and do not forget to subscribe. Hope to see you in our following lesson. For now, goodbye. Hoşça kalın.